So we have Mallards, custom Mallards out of Spencer. So let me show you a little closer. So we have the number 4468. These are stickers, and the one right here on the side, the nameplates are stickers. Also, these are vinyl, and the L and ER letters are vinyl. This one is Tomy, and now this one is improved. We put, look at the face, really clean, like new. So we put a new 24,000 RPM motor, and we are going to do a little test run on this custom Mallard, see how it improves. Now, what's better than Mallard? Two Mallards. So this one is Hitoy Company, and the other one is Tomy. Now these are available. Maybe they are available. So if you're watching this video after 2 months, they are gone. We're gonna do a test run with this Percy and another one equal. That's this one is Mattel Gordon. So I'm talking about equal size and tenders. Since we have 20,000 RPM motors on these models, this one also really clean on the face. So they use only one single AA batteries. Pretty good race, huh? Okay, let me tell you something. Since we are using 24,000 RPM motors, your batteries will run out fast. I'm talking about like the turbo Percy, Thomas, and diesel. If you've seen the reviews, a lot of people complain because they run out of use real quick, but it's because they are like a drag racing models. It's not really fast, but it's faster than other models anyways. Let's say you are using a drone. The drone lasts for 25 minutes flight, or maybe 35 minutes maximum, if I'm not mistaken, flight. So I'm not saying that these batteries will last you for 25 or 35 minutes. It will last you for the whole day, especially if you're using it the whole day, of course. I think you'll get the point what I'm trying to say, that these motors are faster, so you're gonna run your batteries out of use real quicker than the normal Thomas. So what do you think?